welcome back to my studio. Hope you're having a great week. Welcome to Friday with Friends. Tonight I am going to try a kiss pour. I haven't done one in a while, but I do like doing it. And I've decided to put opposing colors in my cups. So let's go down to the table and I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, today we're going to work on a 14 by 14 canvas. I've got 2 pour cups set here. My colors are going to be on this side is Artist Loft Neon Pink, Folk Art Treasure Gold in Copper, and Artist Loft in Deep Magenta, which is gorgeous. Oh, loving that shade. And then on this side, we're going to have Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, one of my faves. Amsterdam in light gold, and Master's Touch in ocean green. And what I'm going to do, move these out of the way so I don't make a mess, which I will anyway. So this cup will have these 3 colors, and this cup will have these 3 colors stacked in it. And then we're going to kiss pour them and then tilt and manipulate so that one side is more blue green and the other side is more pink copper. Got it? Okay, so we're just going to start. I'm just going to do the blue cup first. Now, as a 14 by 14 canvas, I need at least 7 ounces of paint, and I have 2 5-ounce cups here, so that should be more than enough for what we need. The whole point of a kiss pour is that you're going to take the 2 cups and sort of pour them so that their streams run side by side down onto the canvas. Alright, so I'm going to move the extras out of the way. And we are ready to go with our 2 pour cups. And we're going to try and start right there in the center, and we're just going to straight pour. So you're going to take your 2 and you're basically going to pour them right next to each other. Maybe tilt a little this way or that way, but basically you're just pouring right like that, sort of. Did not quite go in the center there, but not bad. I'm going to put some flow extender on there, so I'm going to take one of these colors and thin it out just a wee bit. Now I'll put some Magenta flow extender on this side. Some of that cobalt blue as a flow extender on this side. That should help. Not perfect, but you know, just need something. All right, now this is all running that direction because this table's a little off. So we're just gonna Start working with this. Just going to work it slowly so that I don't lose all of one color in favor of the other side, because right now the pink side is sort of taken over and I need to push back a little with the blue side here. Alright, that's not bad. I just think there's still too much paint on this canvas, but I can work with this. There's some really cool lines in here. There are some places where the blue got into the pink side and some where the pink is in the, got pink mixed more with blue, and I got some blue running around over here on the pink, which is cool. don't think I want to mess with it anymore. I think I've got enough paint off at this point. I'm going to do something about some of these corners a bit. All right, I'm going to clean up my edges a bit and then I will bring you in for a close-up. Okay, we have wet results. Oh, there's some pretty, this is my favorite spot right there. I love that. But there's swirls. The blue side really is making me happy. I mean, just the way the blue reacted, that cobalt blue and the pale yellow and the ocean green just played so nice together. And it's almost like water hitting onto something because it's very wave-like where the blue hits the red. I mean, that edge line there is just, I mean, look at this edge line here where the blue and the red hit each other. Just crazy. Like I said, that is like my favorite spot. Oh, all right, we're gonna pray this dries well. Hold on for dry results. Okay, we only have semi-dry results. It's been very damp and cold here lately, so nothing is drying. It's about 25% dry. The dry areas, though, you can see are just gorgeous. It is drying very well. It's definitely a little darker in the dry zones and very light still in the still very wet areas. But I am still really, really pleased with the way this came out. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part of our Friday with Friends train, so please follow along. The description box has the links. After me is Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.